Hello, my name is Mike Sutherland. I'm here with NGM. Today we have
Nina Rodriguez.
And Nina's going to tell us a little bit about her background, how she got started here, what her aspirations are. Nina?
I'm basically a hair cosmetologist, actually, and I lived here in Lancaster pretty much all my life, and also in Lidditz, outskirts of Lancaster. Basically, just want to be successful, whatever I do, hair or modeling, whatever.
So where do you work right now?
I actually work with my mom. We own a day spa and salon in Manheim.
Okay.
Mariposa Essel.
Okay.
Yep.
So you do hair and what else
nails,
over there?
Facials.
Okay.
Manicures, pedicures.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that's good.
Do
That's
it all.
good. So what are you hoping to get out of modeling? What do you want it to do for you?
I don't know. I think it'd be fun.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I think it'd be a good thing to do.
Okay. How far do you want to go? You trying to get into videos at all and print work?
Yeah, whatever. I mean, print work, videos.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. It's good. Now, how old are you?
I'm 26.
You're 26. Okay. So you're actually been out of school for a while also?
Yes, I've been out of school for quite a while.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
You have any kids at all?
No kids.
Oh,
no,
wow. Okay.
No.
Oh, so you're definitely gonna help you blow up then. Okay.
I'm free.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Now, are you able to travel at all if we need you to?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you sing it or anything or?
I do a little.
Okay.
Never really did anything with it, but.
Okay. All right. So we might have to put you in the studio and check you out too. No problem. Well, thank you for coming out.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining the team and everything. And we're definitely gonna see you in the future.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.